Good morning, children. Standard 1, Term 1, Mathematics. Now we are going to learn about geometry. The topic is comparison. Children, now let us see the rhymes. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. Jump, 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 jump on the floor. Jump, 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 jump on the floor. Crawl, 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 crawl under the table. Crawl, 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 crawl under the table. Go, 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 go far from the table. Go, 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 go far from the table. Come, 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 come near the board. Come, 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 come near the board. Play, 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 play outside the class. Play, 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 play outside the class. Let's see the keywords. Top, bottom, top, top, bottom, bottom. Inside, outside, inside, inside. Outside, outside, outside. On, under, on, under, under, under. Above, below, above, above, below, below, below. Far, near, far, far, near, near, near. Big, small, big, small, small. Now let us see about the top, bottom. Top means up, bottom means down. In the picture, how many books are there? There are 4 books. Which color book is on top? Blue color book is on top. Which color book is at the bottom? Red color book is at the bottom. Let us practice the bookwork. Look at the picture. Tick the boy at the bottom of the slide. Bottom means down. The first boy is at the bottom of the slide. Tick the first picture. Look at this picture. Tick the pot at the top. Top means up. Put a tick on the first pot. Next, inside, outside. Inside means inner part. Outside means outer part. Let us see the picture. Papaya has seeds inside or outside. Papaya has its seed inside. Cashew has its nut inside or outside. Cashew has its nut outside. Let us see the above picture. In this picture, you have to tick the dog which is inside the kennel. In the second picture, you have to circle the sparrow which is outside the nest. On, under. Let us practice the bookwork. Circle the toy scene under the table. Helicopter is on the table. Aeroplane is under the table. So, you have to circle the aeroplane. Next, circle the ball lying on the bed. The red and green ball is on the bed. The white and black ball is under the bed. So, you have to circle the colored ball which is lying on the bed. Next, we will see on, under. Based on this, we can see a small story called The Monkeys and the Capsular. Let's enjoy reading this story. Once there was a capsuler in a town. On one fine day, he was selling caps. Caps, 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 5 rupees caps, 10 rupees caps. After he made a few sales of caps, he became very tired. He decided to sit under a big tree to take rest for a while. Soon he slept up. There was many monkeys on the big tree. They saw the capsular was sleeping under the tree. The monkeys were sitting on the top of the tree. The monkeys came down, took the caps from the capsular bag and wore them. Then they climbed the tree again. When the capsular woke up, he was shocked to see his basket empty. He searched for his caps. To his surprise, he saw the monkeys were wearing them. He found that monkeys were imitating him, so he started throwing his cap down, and the monkeys also did so. The capsular collected all the caps, put them back in his basket and went away happily. Children, in the above picture, we can see the monkeys are on top of the tree. The capsular is under the tree to take rest. Thank you, children. See you in next class.